Hello and good afternoon. This is Nicole Listema, and I'll be conducting your weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Atlanta for Wednesday, October 27th, 2021. We have a couple of things to talk about today. The first is a cold front that is expected to move through the area tomorrow. There is some potential for strong to severe storms along and ahead of the front, mainly across southern portions of the outlook area. And also we're expecting some high winds ahead of the front overnight tonight and during tomorrow. We'll also talk about the weekend forecast, which includes Halloween. Currently, the early week cold front has made it all the way to the Florida Keys. A ridge of high pressure stretches from the central Great Lakes all the way down to the Gulf Coast. The next system that is expected to impact our area is currently situated across the central part of the country and should move eastward into the Mississippi River Valley overnight. As this system moves eastward, that low pressure will deepen, increasing the pressure gradient, which will in turn increase wind speeds across much of the south. There's also some potential for a few strong storms, possibly a severe storm or two, again, mainly across southern portions of the outlook area. For tonight, the main threat from any severe weather should stay across the central Gulf Coast. However, West Georgia may hear a couple of rumbles of thunder late tonight. For tomorrow, the system will have some very strong forcing aloft. However, the air mass will have not had enough time to recover any deep moisture after Monday's frontal system. There will be very little instability available, especially across north and central Georgia. There may be a little instability present across southern Georgia as the front moves into that area during the late morning and early afternoon hours. SPC has issued a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms across the far southern outlook area. A few strong thunderstorms are possible, with some potential for a severe thunderstorm or two, with the primary hazard being damaging wind gusts. As far as timing goes, the main precipitation shield should begin to move into western portions of the state between 4 and 6 a.m., with the cold front approaching the Alabama-Georgia state line mid to late morning, and by late morning to early afternoon, the cold front should have cleared much of the outlook area with only some lingering showers through the late afternoon expected. Due to the increasing winds as that low pressure deepens and moves east, a wind advisory has been issued from 2 a.m. Thursday to 6 p.m. Thursday. Gusts of 40 to 45 miles an hour will be possible, mainly across the higher elevations of North Georgia, with the highest wind gusts maybe up to about 50 miles an hour at elevations above 2,000 feet. The wind advisory could be expanded a little further southward at future updates. The main impacts from the high winds will be downed trees and power lines. Outdoor furniture and decorations could also be blown around. Winds will continue to be gusty behind the front for a few hours. Precipitation amounts with this system will generally average about half an inch to an inch. It's a pretty fast-moving system, so not a lot of potential for heavy rainfall. High pressure will build in Friday and remain in place through the weekend. However, strong upper-level energy associated with the system will linger through the end of the week into the weekend to help produce some scattered to numerous showers across north and central portions of the state. Severe weather is not anticipated, but with the very cold temperatures aloft, graupel reports will be likely, especially on Friday. A much colder air mass is anticipated behind the front. High temperatures Friday and Saturday will be about 10 to 15 degrees below normal. Mean temperatures will remain above normal due to the thick cloud cover that will remain in place through late Saturday. Sunday for Halloween looks very nice. Temperatures at trick-or-treat time will mostly be in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Some upper 40s are possible in the mountains. Winds will have calmed down by then, be out of the northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Skies will be mostly clear, and it will be dry. So to sum it all up, there is a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms across the south on Thursday. There's potential for a few strong storms or a severe thunderstorm or two, mainly south. The primary hazards would be damaging wind gusts and lightning. High winds are anticipated overnight and Thursday ahead of the cold front. A wind advisory is in effect from 2 a.m. Thursday to 6 p.m. Thursday. Gusts to around 45 miles an hour are possible, mainly at elevations of 2,000 feet and above. After all of this, Halloween will be very dry and cool. Thanks for attending the weekly weather briefing. If you have any questions, our contact information is on the page.